Tire assembly, loader, tire and fork assembly, rear wheel assembled with spanner, along with 4 nuts on both sides, fork assembly to be assembled, and tightened the check nut with special spanner. Headlight assembly. Headlight assembled with screwdriver and connect the connections of headlight. Handle assembly. Handle fitting and speedometer. First fitted handle bracket with spanner with 2 nuts. Now handle assembly to be fitted in fork, tight handle bolt with spanner. Speedometer assembly fitted with screwdriver after installing handle assembly. Battery assembly. 4 batteries installed and clamp the battery with clamps and make the connections in series. Glass frame assembly. Windshield assembly installed on 3-wheeler. Put the rubber packing in between windshield assembly and dera with screw and nuts. Cabin back panel fitting and wiring. Place the cabin on load carrier and tight the nut and bolts. Assemble driver seat with frame along with fiber cover. Fit the controller, converter, MCB, and charging socket and make connections. Roof fitting. Place the roof on the load carrier and tight all nut and bolts with spanner. First, check the position of nut bolts and then slowly tighten all bolts, first in back side, then front side.